Chandler's mother was beaten half to death in a home invasion last week. He was granted compassionate leave. Before he left Saudi Arabia, they gave him $250,000. Told him if he delivered it to an address in Los Angeles, they wouldn't go back and finish the job on his mother. He was an easy target. Only child. Local informant tipped us off, and Chandler agreed to work with us on the way to the job. Someone took a shot at him. Kid panicked. Tried to make it back home to his mother in West Virginia. He made it as far as D.C. I think it might be tied to an arms deal case that we're working over there. I want you to liaise with them. You could pick an agent to go with you.